tutorial is, and in this video you are going to learn Bootstrap. So the first question is, what is Bootstrap? And we will see a brief history of Bootstrap, and also we will see how you can set up Bootstrap into your local machine in your project. So all these things will be covered in this video, so stay connected and watch ahead. So Bootstrap is a CSS framework from Twitter which is used to develop responsive websites. As you know, Twitter is one of the tech company which has developed and published this Bootstrap. So why it is called framework? Because you don't have to write the code from scratch. The code is already there. What you need to do is just call the functions, call the name of the classes, and you can design or develop the complete website. So let's see a brief history of this Bootstrap. So Bootstrap was created at Twitter in 2010. So it's around, by the time of this video is recorded, it's around 12 years. So it was developed by @MDO and @fact. Actually, these are the IDs of Twitter handler. Actually, these are the Twitter handler. So Bootstrap was created for internal purpose for Twitter website, and its initial name was Twitter Blueprint. Just imagine, this Bootstrap was not created for the public purpose. This Bootstrap was created for Twitter website only. But later, when this developer came to know that, okay, so now it's a set of framework which is now ready, so Twitter later published it as open source, and it is now an essential part of any website developer. Now we will see how you can use Bootstrap. So there are two options, either by downloading or CDN. So first option we will see through CDN. So let's go to Google and just type here Bootstrap CDN. Go to its website, and then you can see here set of things like CSS, JavaScript bundle. So these are the libraries which we need for working. Just click here, and then just click. Now just open here Sublime Text or whatever editor you are comfortable in. Here let's create a new page. I'll name it as Bootstrap. Okay, so index.html. Okay, so now before closing head we will paste this CDN. Later we will also use this JavaScript. So normally this is pasted just closing before body. Sorry, we need to copy this JavaScript, not that one actually. Here the JavaScript, and also there is another file, this one, the bundle. Then just click on this HTML and include this one. So initially actually you don't need these two files, then still you can work, but later you may need these, for example for using pop-up and other things. Okay, so now for the timing I'm just commenting these two. I will just use this one only. Okay, so to test this, what I will do, I will write here button, and then I will apply here class btn success. This is just for testing purpose. this whole button things we will cover in further videos. Okay, so for testing if this is working or not, I'm just putting here title. Then now we will go to desktop where I had put this file and double click on this, and you can see yes, this is working, because you can see because of applying this class btn success, the button has turned into green color, so that means it is working perfectly. So this is the way you can include this CDN into your machine, but it is very important that your internet connection should work, or else it will not work, because this library is directly pulled from this website. So this is one of the ways through CDN. Apart from that, if you want to work offline, then you can download. So let's go here and just type in Google, download Bootstrap, then go here and then compile CSS and JavaScript. So we will download this one. So this is the lighter version. Okay, so finally it is downloaded. You can see there are two files. Just I will copy it, Control C, and then I will paste into this directory here. So inside this you can see there are two JavaScript files. Actually there are many here, but important files are bootstrap.js, and this is minimum one, that means the compressed version, this min.js, and then there are other files also, bundle. And if you go CSS into this folder, then you will see a lot of files here as well, but we will use bootstrap min.css, the compressed version. Okay, so now let's go once again here, and what we will do, we'll just comment this, and I write here manually link rel equals to style sheet, and then href css bootstrap dot min. In case you forget, that simply you go here, then go to css, and you find here bootstrap min.css. So this one is here. So right click on this and then just rename, just copy this. Okay, so there will be no mistake of name. Okay, now just I saved it, and I will try to refresh the page, and here just double click on this, and you can see now this is working as well. Even I just commented this one. So this way you can start working on Bootstrap. So that's it in this video, and in the next video we will see how to use container and container fluid. So stay connected. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.